Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming components and safety. You need a 18,650 or a single-cell LiPo at 3. 7V, a certified Magsafe coil with magnet ring, and a 5V Boost Plus PD board. Once done, discharge and secure the cell. Make sure to work on insulation and wear eye protection. Begin by tacking the coil into the enclosure with double-sided adhesive. Position the magnet ring so alignment is centered, and pre-tin leads. This saves time and reduces cold solder joints later. Now you connect power electronics. Attach the cell to a protection PCB first because it prevents overdischarge and short circuits. Then link the protection board output to the boost converter input. Make sure you verify polarity with a multimeter before soldering. If you want PD pass-through or fast charging, add the USB-C PD module and configure it to 5V for the coil. Higher voltages can damage the coil. Once soldered, secure modules to the case, route wires neatly, and add heat shrink and strain relief. Finish by aligning the coil precisely over the magnet ring. You want about a 1 to 2 mm gap for optimal magnetic coupling and to avoid scraping. Once enclosed, power the pack and test with a Magsafe-compatible phone. Watch temperature and charging current for the first 10 minutes. If everything is stable, seal the case and add a capacity label. If charging fails, check coil polarity and continuity first. Recenter the magnet ring. Then confirm the boost module provides a stable 5V output before opening the unit again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.